Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Shari Nair and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm back with a special spice blend especially made for Maharashtrian cuisines to add the authentic taste to it. It's a Ghargoti masala. So let's find out how to prepare this particular masala. Ghargoti masala means homemade spice blend. I'll be mentioning all the ingredients and the required measurement for the spice blend in the description box. For this spice blend, I have used two types of chili. One is for color and the other one is for the spiciness. I dried this chili under the sun for a day so all the moisture gets sucked and it makes it more dry and crispier. Now let's start by roasting the spices in the pan. I roasted one type of chilies at a time. Roasting the spices helps to enhance the flavor out of each spices. Now we need to roast all the dry ingredients one by one until we get aromatic smell coming from these spices. Once roasted, transfer it to another bowl and keep it aside. So here I am going to add some spices together because it might take the same amount of time for it to get roasted. Seeds like cumin and fennel seed would take same amount of time to get roasted and release the aroma and oil out of them. Here I have added thin spices like bay leaves, stone flower and mace together. Now let's roast the sesame seed until it turns into a golden color. Into the same pan I am going to add some oil and add compounded asafoetida, that is hing. If you are using the powder, you can just add it directly while roasting. Here I have whole turmeric and roast it for 2 minutes. Then the garlic, roast it until it turns into a golden brown color. Remove all the ingredients from the heat and mix them all together. Once all the ingredients are cooled, let's grind them into a powder. So here we have an authentic Maharashtrian spice blend which is very versatile because it can be used in vegetarian, non-vegetarian dishes. This spice blend is something that you need to have on your spice rack, especially if you are a Maharashtrian food lover. So I will be back with a fish fry recipe made with this spice blend. Until then, stay safe, bye bye, take care and do try this recipe and let me know how did you find it.